Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable XMP on your ASUS motherboard. So firstly we need to open BIOS for that, and for that what you need to do, just whenever your PC is restarting or you're starting your PC, when you got the black screen you need to hit delete key continuously until you are on your BIOS, and as soon as your BIOS open we need to head over to advanced mode. So for that either you can hit F7 key or you can just click on advanced mode option here. In order to enable XMP, we need to click on AI tweaker option. Then this kind of screen will open, and here we need to go to the option AI overclock tuner and set this from auto to XMP1 in order to enable XMP. And once you do that, you're gonna see that the DRAM frequency has changed to its maximum capacity. So it will depend on your RAM, like which RAM you have. In my case, my RAM only supports 3000 megahertz maximum, so that's why it is set it on that. And I also recommend you to not go above your RAM maximum frequency. So you should set this on the default, which we got after setting it on XMP1. And yeah, at this point we are ready to go, cause the rest of the settings gonna be as it is. To save these changes, just hit F10 key from the keyboard. Let's click on OK. Now your PC will restart and you will see that the XMP is successfully enabled on your computer. But just in case if your PC is not starting, in that case you have to get back to BIOS again and just change this DRAM frequency to a bit lower than default, and that way your problem will get solved. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.